In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Fonts in Jotform. Choosing the right font can elevate the aesthetics of your online forms, making them not only more visually appealing, but also more aligned with your brand's identity. Let's jump in and transform your forms with a bit of typography magic. The first step in our process is to head over to the Google Fonts website. This is your gateway to a vast library of fonts tailored for the web. Take your time browsing through the multitude of options. Whether you're aiming for something sleek and modern or classic and timeless, Google Fonts has something for every taste. Once you've settled on a font that resonates with your style or brand, click on it to select. After selecting your font, scroll down the page until you find the section titled Use on the Web. Here, you'll discover a snippet of code commonly known as the @import code. Go ahead and copy this code. It's essentially the key that will allow you to bring the Google font into your Jotform project. Next, we'll shift our focus to Jotform. Open your preferred web browser and search for Jotform. Once there, you'll need to either log in with your existing credentials or sign up for a new account if you haven't yet. Having your credentials ready will make this step a breeze. Once you're in, navigate to the Form Builder. This is where all the customization magic happens. Here, select the form you want to customize with your new font. Look up to the top right corner and locate the paint roller icon, which represents the form designer. Click on it, and you'll see a panel slide into view. In this Form Designer panel, find the Styles tab. Scroll through this area until you see the Inject Custom CSS section. This is where you will paste the @import code you copied from the Google Fonts website. Make sure you insert it right at the top. This step is crucial as it tells Jotform to recognize and load your chosen font. Now that your font is imported, it's time to define which elements of your form will use it. You can do this by adding CSS rules. For example, if you want the new font to apply to all text elements in your form, use the CSS rule. Font family. Your font name. Sans serif. Remember to replace your font name with the actual name of the font you chose, and consider specifying a fallback font, like sans serif, serif, or monospace, to ensure compatibility. Finally, let's preview your form to check how these changes have come together. This is your opportunity to see the font in action. If everything looks as you envisioned, don't forget to save your form to make these changes permanent. And there you have it. You've just successfully integrated a Google font into your Jotform.